we're going to be talking about how you can make $500 per day with a simple sales funnel. Alright guys, so if you are new to this channel, I'm talking about all things online entrepreneurship, make money online, stuff like that, whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, all that great stuff. So if you guys are new, please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like that in the future. However guys, today we are talking about a $500 per day sales funnel. Now, this $500 per day sales funnel, honestly, this simple sales funnels like this are making people much more than $500 per day. However, I want to simplify this down for you guys so you guys can see what you have to do to get to that level and, essentially, what the process looks like. Really, the whole idea behind this is the base of the process, how it works, right? So I have this little whiteboard here for you guys today where I want to kind of go over a couple things and explain to you what this is, what it means, and how it is going to work for you, right? So essentially, guys, a $500 per day sales funnel. What you need, number one, before you start anything else, you need a traffic source. Your traffic source is the most important piece because obviously if you don't have traffic, you can't put people through the funnel, which ends up making you money, right? Now, you have a traffic source that could be from Facebook. I say social, search, organic, solo ads, etc., stuff like that. Those are kind of the big four. Social could be Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, right? Any of those paid or unpaid, right? It could be up to you how you want to structure that. Search, Google ads, Bing ads, stuff like that. Organic, essentially organic is traffic from, let's say, YouTube video like this, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, organic stuff like that, where you don't pay for it. You put your time in, but you don't actually pay money for it. And solo ads is when you can actually take advantage of someone else's email list and send out email to their list. You pay per click. They have those rates set for you, and then essentially you go from there. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to send traffic, right, to an opt-in page. Now, the opt-in page you can create with many softwares out there. There's tons of software. So I actually have experience using lead pages, ClickFunnels, and GetResponse. Actually, you can build landing pages with GetResponse. I know a lot of people are actually using Builderall right now. I currently don't use them. I'm thinking about trying them out soon, but I kind of have enough going on. I don't need to use them right now, so I don't see the need as of yet. But what you can do with these pages is essentially, for example, ClickFunnels, links always in my description for any of the softwares and stuff that I actually use myself. So if you guys want to check it out, they're always there. But ClickFunnels, you can create these sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages. Essentially, they're built for you, and it's like drag and drop. So it's pretty simple once you guys actually go in there and try to do it. It's pretty straightforward. And a lot of them are proven funnels where they've proven time and time again that these actually are generating leads for people, right? So you can go and create an opt-in page. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I actually have a video on how to do that with GetResponse previously. What you can do here is there's two ways I like to look at it. There's many ways, many little branches of these things, but there's two main ways. What you can do is essentially say opt in, put your email down, and get a look at this free video that we're offering, a free training on how to make money or how to do whatever for whatever niche you're in, how to make money doing this, how to jump higher. I know there's a vertical jump program that's doing really well right now. How to do all these things, right? And you give them, check out this free video. So they put their name in, and then the next page is your affiliate link. So that's like ClickBank or whatever offer you have. And it goes right to that free video that they then eventually, at the end of the video, they sell them on the product, right? So the key is that you take their email from the opt-in, have their email, but now you're giving them, they're going through the process, and maybe, right, the offer that they watch the video and they start watching, they enjoy it, it connects with them. It's a really good targeted video for this person, and they end up buying the product. You make a front-end commission, right? Which is great. Additional way, I have this warm-up page here. So instead of sending them directly, if you don't want to send them, if you're structuring it as if you're giving them a free gift in return for their email first, instead of saying, hey, watch this free video, right? You can give them a free gift. That's why I put a free gift here. Maybe you have an ebook, you have something you can give them for free, and then they can download that, or you can send it to them via email, right? After they sign up, then you can send them to a warm-up page if you have no intentions of initially talking about this offer, right? This front-end offer that you're promoting, a warm-up page saying, check this out in the meantime. I know you just got this free gift. check this page out, right? Or check this product out. It's done so well. You put testimonials. Maybe you have a video of yourself saying what you've done with it, your own review, whatever. And then you say, click here for the actual product, right? And then you send them to the product, and maybe they buy the product, whatever, right? That's essentially the whole front end process, right? So that all happens within a matter of, honestly, minutes, because you get the traffic, right? Send them to the page, and before you know it, they could have bought the product, right? Before you know it, it doesn't take long, right? So then now, let's say they don't buy the product, right? You now have their emails, and they are interested enough to opt in. So maybe they're interested in that free training or that free gift that you gave to them. You now have an autoresponder set up. So you have things like GetResponse, which is what I currently use. Link to that again in the description because I currently use it. I have an autoresponder sequence set up. It's actually a 30-day free trial, by the way, guys. It is very, very beneficial to use those free trials that you get from any software, service, whatever, because you really can learn a lot in those, that trial period before you really want to make a decision on buying it. So it's really important that you take advantage of those things. So then you send them to this autoresponder, which you can create the emails today. And that email you create today can last, and has no reason why it can't, years, literally years. That can be sent out for years. If this process is working, it can just continue. You can keep sending it out. You know how you do it once, but it's done for you. It works for you, okay? So what I like to do, guys, when it comes to these emails is do value, and then a sale, right? So it's kind of like the Gary Vee. If you guys, I've been watching a ton of his content lately, and it's kind of like you kind of want to provide value, right? Jab is what he says, and then right hook, which when you come in for the sale, right? So you kind of give them the value. You say, you give them information, bits of information in these emails. Now, you don't want to be too long because people don't have time for that, right? And then eventually people connect with you, right, over time. And then when you ask for a sale in a way, right, you can ask for a sale different ways. When you say, check out this product, it's very useful, it can benefit you, they'll feel more inclined to do that because you've been providing them value, they trust you, and now they'll buy that, right? So now, if you get a person to, opt into your page from one of these traffic sources, let's say it costs you $1 per opt-in, right? $1 per opt-in, you get 100 opt-ins, right? So now you just spent $100. You got 100 people on your list. So you have 100 people to now email in the future going forward for as long as you want until they opt out of the list, which many people don't. And then let's say you get one sale. Let's say you're selling a product that you earn a $50 commission on, right? So now you just spent $100 up front. You made $50 back. So essentially the offer converted at approximately 1%, right? Because out of 100 people who went through the page, opted in, you got one sale, 1% conversion rate on that product, which is kind of what you're going to be seeing with many affiliate marketing products, in the industry. Generally, make money online is what you're going to probably see, unless it's extremely, really highly converting, or it could be lower. Honestly, you guys, it can be lower for sure. So you made $50 back. So now your net is negative 50. Now the question is this: how many emails will it take? How many days in the autoresponder, right? Because you can send these emails every single day. They do it for you. Make them once, they're done. How many days will it take for you to get another sale, or 2 or 3? Maybe you sell different products, related products. Maybe you're selling subscriptions. How long will it take you to recoup that $50 that you initially lost in paying for the traffic, right? Now, let's say it takes you go through the list, right? All of a sudden, you're at day 15, right? Now, I'm talking longer term, guys, because it does not happen overnight, right? Day 15, you come through on the 15th email. On average, you now make, let's say you make that sale and you get $100. You broke even. So your break even point is 15 days in the autoresponder, right? But now after 15 days, you still send them emails. You keep going. And let's say you have it set up for 30 days. 30 days, now all of a sudden you're at $150. And then you just put $100 in. After 30 days, you got $150 back. What are you going to do? Let's put $100 more in, and now let's get $150 more back, right? So you're going to keep doing that. And eventually, guys, what you can do is eventually get these numbers up to $500 a day easy because you know what you're doing. Now, guys, on top of that, this kind of all builds. It all builds because now you have these people, right? Depending on your ad traffic source, whatever, if it's Facebook, you can even optimize to get lower costs. So your costs are going to go down over time, right? And on top of that, you have these people to email in the future. So now let's say it's a Sunday afternoon or a Saturday afternoon, and you know what? You want to email, you found a great opportunity, let's say a new program launched, right? And you have an email list of, let's say, 500 people. So you take those 500 people and you say, hey guys, check out this new program that just launched. Like, I know a lot of people have been using it, or it's great. I think it's going to be great. I'm getting it myself, whatever it is, right? You then promote that product to those 500 people, and on demand, let's say you get a 1% conversion rate, you got 5 sales. You just made 5 sales, and let's say you make $50 per sale, guys. Do the math, right? You're making money now on demand. So now that's free. You have their emails, you send them out a targeted offer to relate it to what they originally opted into. Later on, you made essentially free money right there. Now, you essentially guys can keep doing that, right? You continue to do that, and eventually this can be well over $500 per day. And if once you get it correct, once you get it right, when I mean get it right, you're optimizing as you're doing this, right? You're changing your colors on your opt-in page. You're offering more items, free gift, check this, that you're wording it differently, right? You're getting lower costs on this initial opt-in, right? You keep doing that, so eventually it's not going to take you 15 days to break even. Now it's taking you 13, 12, right? 11 days on average to break even. And then you put these people through this autoresponder. You can build that autoresponder out. Let's say you build that autoresponder out for 100 days. It takes you some time, but eventually you have 100 emails in there. Think about that. Now you know the lifetime value of one person. You do the math. You know the numbers. You have to do the math, right? It costs you $1 to get them to opt in, but you know after 100 days, that $1 ends up equaling 3 for you, right? If you just do the math, and eventually, like after getting a ton of data, that's what you'll know. So it's saying, I'm gonna keep putting $1 in to this traffic source. Then you're gonna try new traffic sources and see if you can get lower costs and see if you can increase that return on your initial investment, guys. That is pretty much it. It is a lot of information there, guys, but this is key. This is serious stuff. You know, this is the stuff that people in affiliate marketing make an insane amount of money with doing. Because once you crack that code, you can keep putting it in, keep putting money in, put money in, you're gonna get more out because you know your numbers, you've got it under control, and you're always optimizing. If people aren't opening your emails, figure out why. Change the subject, see what happens. Just change provide more value. Don't sell as much, provide more value, and then when you do sell, maybe sell a higher ticket item, and maybe you're gonna convert, you only need to convert 1 or 2 people, and you make a ton more money because that higher ticket item is worth $500 and you get a 50% commission, and now you get $250. Guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys are looking for the number 1 recommendation I have right now, top 5 tips to be successful online today, first link in the description, like always. Always put that there, guys, for you guys. Always check out in any of my videos. So guys, if you guys thought this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. I'll be posting videos similar to this, and I have a Bing Ads case study with $100 of Bing ad credits that I'm putting through an autoresponder sequence very similar to this. I'm going to be showing you guys pretty much everything, how it goes and how long it takes me to recoup that $100 from start to finish. So please stay tuned for those videos, guys, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.